Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add contacts in Proton Mail. To add contacts in Proton Mail, follow these detailed steps. First, open your browser and go to the Proton Mail login page. Enter a username and password and then click login to access your Proton Mail inbox. Once you're right in the inbox, head over to the left-hand navigation menu. In the left-hand navigation menu, go ahead and click on contact, but let me see less. Now, if you don't see it, click on the more drop-down menu that is here. So you should definitely find contacts, but contacts are not here. So it will literally mean that your contacts will be found somewhere else that is not just here as the usual. So head over to the right corner of the screen and you're going to see contacts, and you're going to see Proton calendar and you find security center. So click contact at the top right corner. Now once in the contact section, go ahead and click on the name, add contact, which is here. And once you click on add contact, it takes you here. Now in the window that appears, you can now enter the contact information. Enter the contact's full name, first name, box, last name, second box, display name. You can even add a profile photo, which is cool. Then the email address, enter the contact's email address, the primary email address. Also add the phone number of the contacts, the addresses, the birthday, the notes, the other information. Once you're done adding all of this, after filling the content details, go ahead and click on save. And your new contacts will be added to your Proton Mail contact list. So you can now view and manage all your contacts in the contact section. The newly added contacts will appear in your contact list. So once you click on this contact icon, you will see your newly added contact right here. I'd like you to note that you can add multiple contacts by repeating this process for each new contact. And also, if you want to import contacts from another email provider, you can use Proton Mail's import via easy switch feature, which is found in the settings menu. Now, this allows you to import contacts from other accounts like Gmail or Outlook. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you, sir.